In January 1980, President Jimmy Carter announced the Carter Doctrine, stating that the United States would use military force to ensure the flow of oil from the Persian Gulf, as it was now part of the U.S. national interest. Saudi Arabia had agreed to sell oil in U.S. dollars only and guarantee price supply and price stability, and in return it received protection from the United States. Admiral Franchetti, the U.S. Navy Chief of Naval Operations, unveiled a new doctrine last week that aims to defend the Western Pacific, seemingly echo the start of the new Carter Doctrine.